In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an IKEA delivery. Whether you've ordered a new sofa or a kitchen accessory, understanding how to modify your delivery schedule with IKEA can be essential, especially given our busy lifestyles. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, before making any changes, it's crucial to gather a few key pieces of information. You'll need your order number, which you can find in your confirmation email, the email or phone number you used when you checked out, and your scheduled delivery date. Having these details ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. Now let's explore the easiest way to change your delivery online. Head over to ikea.com for your country. Once there, you'll typically find the option to track and manage order either in the website's footer or under your account menu. Enter your order number and email address as prompted. This will navigate you to a menu where you can select either change delivery date or reschedule delivery. Browse through the available dates, select the one that best suits your new schedule, and confirm your changes. After completing this step, IKEA will send a confirmation email with your updated delivery schedule. Keep an eye out for this email as it ensures everything is set correctly. If you prefer using a mobile device, the IKEA app provides an easy alternative. Once you've opened the app, sign in and navigate to Orders, followed by Track Order. From there, tap on Manage Delivery to make your necessary adjustments or reschedule your delivery date. In some cases, perhaps due to how the order was placed or system restrictions, you might need to contact IKEA customer support directly. Head back to IKEA's website to find the appropriate contact number for your region. When you call, be sure to have your order number and other delivery details ready. During the call, request to reschedule, change your address, or even cancel the delivery if that's what you need. Remember, it's best to call at least 24 hours before your scheduled delivery to avoid any additional fees or complications with missed deliveries. Once you've rescheduled, IKEA will send you a new confirmation email or text message, providing you with an updated delivery window or a tracking link if applicable. Here are a few pro tips for you. Changing your delivery is generally free if you make the change in advance. However, if your delivery is already en route, you might have to wait for a redelivery or contact the courier directly. Lastly, always double check that your delivery address and phone number are correct before finalizing any changes. This will save you from any potential delivery mishaps down the line. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope this guide makes managing your IKEA deliveries a lot less stressful.